Hello viewer, today we will discuss about the satellite communication, the second lecture of my satellite communication. I will talk about the types of the satellite, how many types of satellites are there, and their trajectory, their names, how far it is from the Earth's surface. All those things we will discuss today. There are many types of satellites. Out of the most popular types are the GEO, LEO, MEO, Molniya orbit, and HAP. GEO is the geostationary Earth orbit, and LEO is the low Earth orbit. MEO is the medium Earth orbit. Molniya orbit is a very special type of orbit. It is highly elongated, highly inclined, and there is high altitude platform. All those we will be discussing one after another, and the satellites are designated by their orbits. So the names are given as per their orbits. This is a picture of the satellites LEO, MEO, and GEO, how far they are from the Earth. That just schematic is presented here. Half of the ellipse is shown here. This is the presentation of the globe. So LEO is very much near to the Earth's surface. It is 500 to 1000 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Then is the MEO. It is far away from the Earth's surface, and it is moderately away, I should say, because its distance ranging from 5000 to 15,000 kilometers, such a huge span regarding the distance. Then is the GEO. GEO is far away from the Earth's surface. It is 36,000 kilometers away from the Earth's surface, and it has very narrow space to accommodate its orbits. MEO has a very wide space, 5,000 to 15,000, but GEO is right at fixed at a single distance from the Earth orbit. Geostationary Earth orbit, GEO. These satellites are in an orbit 35,863 kilometers exactly above the Earth's surface along the equator. Objects in geostationary orbit revolve around the Earth at the same speed as the Earth rotates. This means GEO satellites remain in the same position relative to the surface of the Earth. It will be almost stationary with respect to the Earth's surface. The advantages of GEO are really many, and it is very much important satellite system. A GEO satellite's distance from Earth gives it a large coverage area, almost a fourth of the Earth's surface, GEO satellite have a 24 hours view of a particular area. These factors made it ideal for satellite broadcast and other multi-point applications. So this GEO satellite is visible 24 hours, and 3 such satellite can cover the whole surface area of the globe. Disadvantages: a GEO satellite distance causes it to have both a comparatively weak signal and a time delay in the signal, which is bad for point-to-point communication. Very quick information is very much needed for the point-to-point communication. GEO satellite centered above the equator. It is basically at the equatorial plane and have difficulty broadcasting signal to near polar region. So this polar region is not covered by the geostationary Earth orbit. Low Earth orbit, LEO. LEO satellites are much closer to the Earth than GEO satellites, but it is very much useful in several cases. Its distance ranges from 500 to 1,500 kilometers above the Earth's surface. LEO satellite does not stay in fixed position relative to the Earth's surface and are only visible for 15 to 20 minutes each pass. Very small time it is visible. A network of LEO satellite is necessary for LEO satellites to be fruitfully useful, because one satellite will be transmitting for 15-20 minutes, then another satellite will take up the work. Like that, there will be a matrix of satellites, there will be a series of satellites which will be taken care one after another. So for the whole 24 hours, it will be covered by a large number of satellites. Advantages: as LEO satellites, proximity to Earth's surface compared to a GEO satellite gives it a better signal strength and very little time delay, which makes it better for point-to-point communication. This time delay should be very much minimized in case of the point-to-point communication. Very quickly one can get the signal after transmitting from the Earth to once again received by the receiver and other Earth station. A LEO satellite, smaller area coverage is already mentioned. So less bandwidth wastage. Bandwidth wastage is very small. Disadvantages: a network of LEO satellite is essential for setting up a large number of satellites to serve the purpose throughout the day. It is a very costly affair. LEO satellites' motion have to be compensated for Doppler shift caused by their relative movement. So because there will be a large number of satellites, so there will be the error in their relative movement. and that should be compensated. Atmospheric drag effect on LEO satellites causes gradual orbital deterioration. Since it is very near to the Earth's surface, so there will be the residual atmospheric molecules. So there will be the drag effect passing through the gas molecules, which may deteriorate some components of the satellite. Medium Earth orbit, MEO. The orbit of MEO satellite lies between 8,000 km to 12,000 km above the Earth's surface. MEO satellites are similar to LEO satellites in functionality. MEO satellites are visible for much longer period of time than LEO satellites, usually between 2 to 8 hours. It is at the maximum 1/3 of a day. So MEO satellite have a larger coverage area than LEO satellite, but less than GEO satellites. Coverage area is less than GEO satellites. MEO advantages. Less number of MEO satellites are needed in a MEO network than LEO network. In case of LEO, as because the useful time is much less for LEO, for MEO it is comparatively much high. That's why less number of MEO satellites will be there in a network. And wider footprint of MEO satellite, and the visible area also large. It is quite wide. Disadvantage, longer time delay, weaker signaling is caused due to larger distance coverage of the MEO satellite than LEO satellites. But the signal is superior than a GEO satellite. It is become intermediate of LEO and GEO. Other orbits, Molniya orbit satellites. Molniya orbit is a highly inclined elliptical orbit. The satellite remains in a nearly stationary position relative to Earth for 8 hours. It is something like this GEO satellite. So a series of 3 Molniya satellites in a network can act like a GEO satellite. It is very much useful in polar regions. So for the polar region research and other things, very much involved with the Molniya orbit and Molniya orbit satellites. Russia has been using for last few decades these Molniya orbits. Other orbits, high altitude platform, one of the modern ideas in satellite communication. A blimp or plane around 20 kilometers above the surface is used as a satellite. High altitude platform would have very small coverage area as it is very near to the surface, but would have a comparatively strong signal. Cheaper to put in position, but would require a large number of HAP in a network because the visibility is very small time. Missions associated with orbit types: GEO, commercial communication; MEO, military and research uses; LEO, remote sensing; global positioning system, GPS is this service, GPS service is catered by LEO satellites. And MEO, military and research uses is very much useful. For commercial, it is GEO satellites. LEO and MEO features. Once again, we will sum up the LEO and MEO features together. Earth coverage requires multiple passes. for LEO and MEO both. Typical path requires about 90 minutes. Signal paths relatively short, lower losses, small area, high resolution ground image, earth station tracking required. Otherwise, there will be the Doppler shift and synchronization error. Multiple satellites for continuous coverage. The satellites will be positioned in a network. Thank you.